Right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we are filming this stunning M140i Shadow Edition. It belongs to Josh Horsecraft there, just in the background. So before we start, you know the drill. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. So we're in the car with Josh. This is his M140i Shadow Edition, and we're gonna go for a little drive and have a talk about the car. Josh, you want to say hello?
Morning, everybody.
So Josh, as we were just discussing out there, so it's not completely standard, is it? You've got the...
it's got a K&N panel filter in that I put in not last night, night before, whatever night that was, Friday night, and then on Wednesday night I was home and managed to get it mapped.
And you mapped it yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, mapped it myself with on my mate's driveway.
So, but you haven't added dyno, you said? No dyno?
No, dyno day's coming up on the 15th of February. Okay. So hopefully it should.
Yeah. So judging what we've seen on the channel before, you'd hope this would be over 400 brake.
Well over
stage
over 400 brake.
Apart from that, you've no other modifications. You change your tyres, or the kept the ones that are on it?
They're all standard still.
So you got the Super Sports.
Yeah, Pilot Super Sports. Yeah, they're crap in the wet.
Yeah, yeah. I think this car in general is not crap in the wet, but just like it's a little bit sketchy in the wet.
Yeah. No, it's not the best in the wet, especially with all the power going through the rear wheels. Exactly. It overtakes you. So
if you do a left up here and then just give it the beans up the hill. See what 400 brake feels like for your frontwards. I'll take this fella first. You felt it a little bit then actually, didn't you? Jesus. Oh, it does move, doesn't it?
Yeah. that was fifth gear as well still.
Yeah, that is blinding. There's a lot of torque. This is going to have a ton of torque.
Yeah. I think according to I'll find out on the dyno day, but according to that, I think it peaks about 710.
That's ridiculous. It's effortless, that. Absolutely effortless. From what experience I've had in the other M1, I've never been in an M140 actually. I've been in the 135s, but putting it into Sports Plus in the wet is basically like signing your own death certificate.
It's signing a death wish essentially. It turns the traction control off a little bit so you can have a bit of fun, but not so much that you could probably kill yourself.
Ah, okay.
But you could kill yourself, if that makes sense.
Yeah, yeah. So, how long you owned it?
I bought this in June from Matt Quarrington. He managed to get me in one.
Right.
I was originally in an Audi S1, I just needed more power and a bit more fun.
Yeah.
The fuel, the worst I've had is 8 to the gallon.
What?
Yeah. That's the absolute worst I've ever had.
Yeah.
Was 8. And then the best I had was when I went down to the south of France for a holiday.
Yeah.
I got about 40 then.
I mean, that's pretty decent. I'm assuming that's cruising at 70.
That's 80.
Okay.
They can go a little bit faster out there. So that's cruising at 80, comfort, cruise control on.
I mean, that's not terrible.
No, I have a 6-cylinder, 3 litre. You can't, I'm not grumbling.
That's not terrible.
I think at the minute it's about 26.
I mean, that's about average for a hot hatch at the minute, isn't it? Yeah. 22 to 26, I think.
But especially in a car like this where you can't really drive it slow.
Yeah. Oh, you have to hold, don't you?
Unlock button there, and then pull back.
Cool. I remember we went to Santa Pod, and my mate Andy's got 135, and I was sitting in the car for about 10 minutes going, mate, I can't put it into drive. I can't figure it out. And I never realised there was that unlock button on the side. I'll tell you the first thing I noticed though, as soon as I pulled away, the throttle on this responds so much better than the 135. 135, there's like a big pedal lag, like you put your foot down and then it's like, it's not moving.
Yeah, no, that's one thing I think the map's done as well. It's increased the throttle response.
Yeah.
I mean, you are in sport, so you probably will notice.
Well, yeah, that's true. Yeah. It's weird. Well, we're automatic, aren't we?
Yeah. You can flappy paddle it.
Yeah. The other thing as well is the seats. These are not. Are this part of the Shadow Edition? The seats, or yeah, they're really nice. Actually, I see what you mean. Like, I'm literally just resting my foot on the accelerator, but if I wobble it a bit, you can feel the car's like, come on, let's go. Yeah.
Well, then you just peaked at 360 torque, just in that little blip.
Really?
Yeah.
Right. I'm just gonna open it up a little bit. It's so effortless, literally effortless. That's like dangerous. That's like dangerous speed. You don't realise how quick you're going so quickly, do you?
No.
That's pretty impressive, that, just from a map. If you don't mind me asking, how much did you pay for it?
This was retails 39.
Yeah. The thing I love about these cars is, and every time I get in one, it just makes me think, oh, this would be really nice to drive to work back. Is the fact it's so comfortable, so comfortable. I'm not even touching the accelerator, and you can just cruise, and then when the power's there, when you want to overtake, you can do it.
It's there. That's the thing. I mean, the power was there before I had it mapped, but it wasn't enough to think, oh, can I make that? Whereas now you think, yeah, I can make that now.
Yeah.
Which in hindsight is probably quite dangerous.
Yeah. So actually, let's go to comfort, because one thing I'm noticing when you're sitting in sports is, even though you're touching the accelerator, you're actually doing a speed that you probably shouldn't be.
Yeah.
I want to get one of these on a track so that I can literally put it into Sports Plus.
Well, I had it in sport when I went round Brands Hatch at Tuna Fest. My God, did that go?
Yeah.
I was surprised at how well the traction control just kept you on the track.
Yeah. I find with BMWs it does cut the power a lot.
Well, like when I was doing those pass-bys coming out from under the bridge, it was cutting the power from first to third, because it was just spinning the tyres.
So nice.
It's the best car I've ever bought.
Right, nice one, Josh. Cheers. Thanks for letting us. Thanks for letting us drive a car. These are phenomenal as always. Love them. Absolutely love them. And I'm not a BMW fan, like I just said. I'm not a BMW fan, but this is
just push.
This is pretty special. This one, it's very easy speed, isn't it? So like you don't realise what speed you're doing unless you look down. It's for 1 minute you're at 0, then the next minute you're at 10. No, the next minute you're at a speed that you shouldn't be doing. So
license losing speed.
Yeah, twice. Do you know what would be interesting if you could get this on a runway day to see actually what it does top out at?
Yeah, because I've turned the limiter off as well.
Have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be be well interested to find out. I think me and Luke were talking about actually trying to organise just a big thing where we get everyone that we've done YouTube videos with to come down at a track somewhere and find out what their cars can really do rather than what they can do on this silly little road. But yeah, guys, don't forget to check out the North Coast 500 trip on the website, and we will catch you in the next video.